Question 1. Tell me about yourself. Talk about personal information, including hobbies, interests, and the like.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jed Mendez, and I've always been passionate about environmental being and community-based work. Growing up, I've seen how natural resources affect people's of our each individual daily lives. And this inspired my interest in pursuing a career in public service, especially in this agency, which is the DEENR. I'm enjoying like planting tree, coastal cleanup, and also gardening because I know it feels me comfortable and this is may help our nature to be better and to give a safety environment. Thank you.
Thank you for that, Mr. Mendez. Your next question is, what skills do you have that makes you the best person for the job? Explain your answer well. Limit to 2 to 4 skills.
The skills that I have that makes me the best person for this job. I would like to raise the knowledge and awareness of environmental practices. I have a strong understanding of environmental issues, such as the waste management. We already know that waste management is commonly nga nadungog na nato, but mostly sa uban people, wala nila gina-apply. Waste management is the systematic process of collecting, segregating, transporting, recycling, and treating and proper disposing of the waste to protect the human of our health and of course not only the human and also of our environment.
Good job. For the last question is, why should the company hire you?
You should hire me, ma'am, because I am genuinely dedicated to the DENR mission of conserving our environment. That I am committed to serving the public and protecting our environment, which align directly, ma'am, with the DENR missions that I bring an aspect of responsibility, integrity, and willingness to learn. I am detail-oriented and organized and able to work well under pressure. Qualities is the most important thing that we need to ensure and to accurate our environmental monitoring. And not only that, to give a proper documentation and efficient public service. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity to be interviewed today. We will send you or calling you for the result. Thank you, Mr. Mendez.
Thank you for that, ma'am.